Now she's just stretching her skin and rolling up across those potential crow's feet. As you can see, her hands are quite close to the roller in this case, but because she's rolling herself at home, it's not such an issue. For those of you using this in clinic, I do advise you keep your hands a little bit further away from the roller in most cases. Now she's just going to do under her eyebrows there.
If you're planning on submitting video evidence of your assessment, please follow these steps. 1. Find a location. First, you need to find a suitable location. 2. Find a partner. You will need to coordinate a suitable time for you and your client to go through the practical assessment. The duration should be approximately 60 to 90 minutes.
The respiratory system is an important part of our body. It's necessary for providing oxygen to the body and the elimination of carbon dioxide, which is a byproduct of respiration. Sound knowledge about the respiratory mechanism, the various diseases associated with the system, and other aspects will help you create awareness about lifestyle factors that influence the functioning of the system.
In the food industry, yellow cutting boards are often used for cooked meats, green boards for fruit and salad, red boards for raw meat, white boards for bakery items and dairy, brown boards for vegetables and blue boards for raw fish. Desert and dessert mixed up. If you can't remember how many S's to use, remember that you probably want 2 desserts, but not 2 deserts. The glycemic index runs on a scale from 0 to 100, with pure glucose rated at 100. Choosing to eat foods with a low GI can help manage blood sugar levels.